What's going on YouTube? Today we got something special planned. So I just recently got these smoked Euro style taillights for Jax. And as y'all know, Jax is a 2011. These are for 13, 14. Now these work just as good as the original ones, but I like this style on all modern Mustangs. These are the best. But since Jax is a little bit old, a little worn out, I think it's gonna be best if we upgrade to these bad boys. So without further ado, let's get it started. Late model restoration, LMR. I caught them. I don't know, CJ Pony Parts had got a set that's on sale right now, but these are essentially the same ones. And since CJ Pony Parts had them out of stock, I might as well get them from LMR. All right, that's the first one. Ooh. All right, let's see. So usually I'll give like a parts list, but this is literally just the tail lights. It's not that hard. It's usually 3 bolts. Let me see what size they are. 12. Yeah, they're 12 millimeter bolt. So you only had to take off 3 of these. It's usually 2 at the top and 1 like the far bottom. But yeah, let's pop these in real quick and so we can see what these look like. I am going fast forward, so. Another thing I forgot to tell you is you gotta take off the pigtail, which is kind of, self-explanatory, but just in case. Voila. Out with the old. Let's see, is this the right side? That is not the right side. So we can kind of see the difference here. Let's see if I can probably do it this way. I am going to show you what it light up to, but pretty much the same thing. Pigtails, they give you a new one, so we don't gotta worry about that. But let's put these new ones. All right, y'all, moment of truth. All right, y'all, I'll put in one side. I wanted to do like a comparison between the two so y'all can see the difference. But Leah, let me turn on the light so you can see the brightness, because these are smoke, so I want to see if they're just as bright as the old ones. One sec. I had to do a couple revs because I'm annoying. But these, I left the wrapping on there. Oops, so y'all can see. So these are the old ones, and these are the new ones. These not bad. Like I can see, like I gotta put like some type of like protector over them because they are black and glossy. But as you can see right here, they are tinted, but it's not that bad. And compared to the regular ones, the OEMs, it's just as bright. So I think these was a good pickup. So if y'all looking to refresh your Mustang, definitely go pick these up. Let me see. Alright y'all, that concludes our video. It was a short video. I mean, we were just changing taillights, it wasn't that hard. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the first upgrade to Jacks because I do have some more parts coming. I might put that video out probably next week, depending on time. The parts is still on its way, so they're not even here yet. So I think next time, probably next week, I'm gonna drop the video. We're doing more work to the rear end, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's see these lights one more time because I didn't put both of them back in. See, I'm probably gonna set it up so y'all can see them. So these were both of them in. They don't look bad. And the thing about it, so y'all see it this way, they don't look that tinted. Like yeah, of course it's not the red outline, but yeah, these aren't bad. Like you can still identify each light. Yeah, so these was definitely a good pickup. So if you need that upgrade, like I said before, go ahead and do that. Excuse the car. The car is fucking filthy. But yeah, y'all, that should conclude our video. So see y'all next time. Peace.